Welcome everybody to another episode of PBTB exclusives.
Wow.
What? Here is the tier list part 2. तुम लोग
Yeah.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यार I would say बरसा दिए.
भाई
The
भाई
video
क्या
did extremely
मचा
well.
रखा है भाई कमेंट सेक्शन में. आई डिड
but-
एक्सट्रीमली वेल एंड कमेंट सेक्शन में लोग अपना चला रहे हैं भाई. अच्छा
लड़ रहे
बहुत
हैं
अच्छा.
भाई लड़ रहे हैं. तो उससे मैं स्टार्ट करूंगा पहले ये बोलते हुए कि गाइज ये सब जो क्या कहते हैं टीयर्स हैं ये लेबल्स हैं. गोट लिटरली डजंट मीन ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम.
Yeah, it is just in that arrangement. ठीक है guys,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
highest to the lowest, and who is just a sub category of others. ठीक है,
Yeah, yeah.
nothing else. हमको
yeah.
पता नहीं वो बंदा कौन है, हमको जज मत करो यार. हम सारे लोग नहीं देखते. There are 40 people in this list.
हाँ,
You think we
exactly.
watch 40 people?
Yeah.
This guy is trying to have a YouTube career. I have a freaking job. Okay.
ठीक है.
अभी
Like this,
सबको
please.
बोर्ड पे तो नहीं डाल सकते ना.
Exactly.
There is only the one place for me. Okay.
Okay, relax, Ocus.
It's
please.
trash. Yeah.
Ocus के टाइम पे हम लोग Ocus को वोट करने नहीं देंगे. Me and Bean will judge. So.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, and one more thing, just so that this time thoda we keep things a bit more fair, quote unquote, for the comment section, which we never usually do, but ठीक है इस बार कर लेते हैं. We will try to make sure कि उस बंदे को उसके डोमेन के हिसाब से जज करें. Okay? Fair?
What do
ठीक
you
है?
mean? Domain
मतलब
काय?
मतलब श्वेताब गांगवर in his domain, not as an overall YouTuber. ठीक है?
काहे?
Because you can't compare Shwetab Gangwar with Garden Up, right? Like, how would you compare both of them? It's unfair, right? Is what they are
Who's
saying.
Garden Up?
Garden Up is a YouTube channel who teaches how to take care of your plants. My God.
I don't.
By the
I
way,
don't. They are not in this list though.
they are not in this. I'm just giving an example. My God.
अच्छा ठीक है. But I mean you probably can as a creator whose videos you enjoy. But okay ठीक है.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's start this.
But मैं appreciate करूँगा.
And this time we'll make sure that Brian speaks more, guys. Please, Brian,
Yeah.
थोड़ा बोल ले भाई. Hello.
I'll try.
और सुनो बहन के लड़ो सुनो ठीक है.
हाँ, बोलो.
कमेंट्स में तुम लड़ो, मेरे को हम लोग को एंगेजमेंट मिलता है बिल्कुल सही. बस पूरा ऐसा बहन चो चढ़ मत जाओ ठीक है. तुम लोग
Please relax.
इतने
relax,
ब्रूटल हो कसम से. थोड़ा ऐसे भाई आदमी है सामने हैं, थोड़ा वो पढ़ते हैं कमेंट्स यार, दिल पे लग जाती है कुछ बात बहनचोद. तो थोड़ा
बात
प्यार
तो
से
सही है.
पकड़ो.
एंड ओकस इज टेलिंग दिस बिकॉज ओकस कभी कमेंट्स नहीं पढ़ता. वो मेरे लिए बोल रहा है. भाई राव को रोज पढ़ना पड़ता है यार. राव को कल डिप्रेशन हो गया था. वो नहीं, जस्ट किडिंग. डिप्रेशन नहीं हुआ था. मतलब आई नॉट गोना यूज दैट वर्ड.
या 1 साल हो गए उसको.
वाओ नाइस, वेरी नाइस ओकस.
बट लेट्स
Okay.
बिगिन.
डायनामो स्टार्ट. यू स्टार्ट.
Bean is a gamer, right? Bean and
please.
he streams. Bean has streamed a lot more than both of us combined, I suppose.
Yep,
So
yep.
Bean, तुम बताओ.
Yeah. So apart from the memes, I don't think I've watched his channel. But
okay.
yeah, I think he's pretty okay. I think like people watch him for a reason, right? So I think he would get like a fire from me, like
Okay.
the least
Get a
fire.
fire?
Yeah, the lowest fire for now.
Oh, yeah. Let me add this as well. This list will be available for you as well. Go in the description or the pinned comment. This list will be available for you so that you can do your own tier list. Tweet at us or put it on an Instagram story and tag us at PBTB or
Yeah.
person behind the persona. Like the
Right.
@ rates are available on the screen right now.
Right.
And let us know what is your opinion so that it's more civil. And it's not like, तूने इसको कैसे इधर डाल दिया?
ठीक है. Nice.
But yeah, fire पे किधर लेकिन भी wherever
The lowest fire.
just because you don't watch his content.
I mean, I'm saying he's good.
What about you, Okas?
Okay, so I haven't watched a lot of his videos, but I've watched couple of his story videos where he
Okay.
has explaining where he came from, XYZ. He हसल भोसड़ा भी पैरोडी निकली अभी ऋषु ने उसका निकाला ना, तो हम लोग ने उसके साथ मिलके बैठा देख रहा था. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि बंदे ने ग्राइंड नहीं किया, बंदे ने गांड फाड़ ग्राइंड किया. ठीक है.
Okay.
और मतलब एवरी सिंगल डे स्ट्रीम करना व्हेन यू आर नॉट गेटिंग व्यूज एज वेल, इट्स
Right.
क्वाइट हार्ड. इट्स हार्ड.
Yeah.
इट्स डेफिनेटली हार्ड.
Yeah.
पर आई स्टिल डू नॉट एंजॉय हिज कंटेंट बिकॉज मैं क्रिएटर हूँ, मैं गेमर नहीं हूँ भाई. मेरे को अगर तुम लाइव स्ट्रीम में बुरचोदी नहीं कर रहे तो मुझे मज़ा नहीं आता है. ठीक है. तो
Okay.
इसके लिए मैं भी बीन से एग्री करूँगा. लोएस्ट फायर नहीं बोलूँगा. आई वुड से अराउंड देयर. हु केयर्स से
Okay.
जस्ट नीचे.
He's
श्वेता
better than
गंगा
Shwetab, you
स्वास्थ्य.
mean?
या ही इज डेफिनेटली बेटर देन शौरभ. वो श्वेताब ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स पे जंप करके ऊपर उठा है एंड ये बंदा रेगुलरली ऑलमोस्ट एवरी सिंगल डे 3 से 4 घंटा स्ट्रीम करना मेरे हिसाब से गांड फट जाती है भाई. मैं 1 घंटा स्ट्रीम करता हूँ, मेरा आवाज बैठ जाती है. सो दैट्स
I think I would give him. I don't know where in God, but I'll give him in God because he's such a household name in the youth. Like everybody knows who Dynamo is.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
Everybody. Like मैंने उसके लाइव स्ट्रीम्स देखे तो हैं ही. मैंने उसके लाइव स्ट्रीम तो देखे हैं ही. And you're right. It is very difficult to like sustain live streams every single day for so many hours. I'm sure it definitely takes a toll on him in some way or the other.
Yeah.
But just और कौन से हैं live streamers big? There is Carry is live, right?
There is
And-
Carry is live.
And
there is-
and if you remember previously, we put Carry on God as an advantage because of his live streaming channel, what he has done with his live streaming channel, right? So I think it would be fair to also put him in God because he is as famous as Carry, at least in terms of his live streaming and his gameplay. So I would put him in God, is what I think. But since I haven't watched enough of his content,
Yeah.
so probably we'll have to take like a group decision on that.
Yeah. So okay. So but we decided on Carry because Carry also had a main channel and a
Right.
second channel. So if he was doing 2 videos a month on his main channel and 15 days he streams on क्या कहते हैं his Carry's live.
Right.
ठीक है. And हम लोग ने इसके लिए रखा था क्योंकि he started it. He started with like non-gay PUBG moments.
Yeah.
ठीक है. एंड
Okay.
उसने उसमें भी काफ़ी गेमिंग को आगे लेके आया. उसने सीरीज वीरीज भी की, उसने काफ़ी चीज़ें लाइक पुश की. मैं कहूँगा उसने स्टार्ट की, उसने पॉपुलराइज किया क्या कहते हैं काफ़ी सारे गेम्स. वो क्या कहते हैं इंडिया में वो हथौड़ा वाला जो यार क्या नाम है उसका, गेटिंग ओवर इट.
Getting
ये
over
सब उसने पॉपुलराइज किया. वेयर एज डायनामो डिड नॉट डू इट, at least not to that extent. It was a lot of it. It was like PUBG खेल के वजह से Dynamo popular हुआ and not the otherwise.
Okay.
I mean, of course, there was certain amount of marketing for PUBG as well. जब कोई इतना popular
Yeah.
बंदा constantly खेलेगा.
Yeah.
पर it's his channel is still very PUBG based. मेरे लिए as a creator वो fire ही ठीक रहेगा.
So are we? So what you said, Bean, you said bottom fire.
Bottom fire.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're saying around middle fire. I'm saying
God.
somewhere in God. So what
Yeah.
do we do? Do we like change his position?
Best.
What
of
do you
three
think?
Would be
Best
I
of 3.
think,
You wanna stone paper scissor?
Stone paper. PUBG Mobile का गेम खेलें क्या? देखें कौन जो भी जीता वो डिसाइड करेगा कौन सा वाला है.
Okay. No. Let the comments decide. We
Oh,
think
yeah,
more.
okay, cool.
Try not to be biased because of the memes, because PUBG Mobile emulator टट्टा. I mean emulator
भाई.
टट्टा तुम लोग रख सकते हो क्योंकि emulator टट्टा था वो.
भाई,
It
क्या
is,
मतलब.
but yeah, it is still entertaining though.
So तुम लोग decide करो. Let us know in the comment section below. Where would you put Dynamo and ऐसे और भी चीजें करेंगे. We have Vedant Rusty.
Vedant Rusty.
Ooh,
Okay.
I have talked to him a lot. ठीक है.
Yeah.
And there is so
Yep.
bias रहेगा guys. वो भोसड़ी का मतलब बहनचोद हर कंट्रोवर्सी पे सबसे पहले वीडियो आ जाएगी.
Oh my.
Do you know? I think कौन सी तो भी वीडियो हुई कंट्रोवर्सी हुई थी. कैप्टन इंडिया ट्वीट करता है कि तुम सब लोग ट्वीट करते रहो, वेदांत रश्टी 1 घंटे में कल सुबह वीडियो निकाल देगा. ट्वीट करने के 1 घंटे बाद वेदांत की वीडियो आ जाती है.
हाँ.
तो एज अ क्रिएटर मतलब कि भोसड़ी वाले ने जंप कर लिया भाई. ये मेरे लिए बहुत ये रहता है कि ये हो गया. पर आई टॉक्ड अबाउट इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो कि इंस्पिरेशन अगर मेरे को क्रिएटर को इंस्पायर नहीं करता तो मैं इतना नहीं देखता. तो एक्सेप्ट विद इज लाइक क्या कहते हैं डिसिप्लिन और कोई चीज़ मुझे उसकी इतनी ज़्यादा इंस्पायर नहीं करती क्योंकि उसके ओपिनियंस मेरे हिसाब से काफ़ी एवरेज ही रहते हैं.
अच्छा.
तो मैं उसको फायर में पुट करूँगा एंड अराउंड श्वेताब गांगवर.
What about you, Bean?
I agree.
I want to see how he can introduce more. Like now, I think his content has become quite. No offense if you're watching this. क्या कहते हैं वेदांत. ये मैंने पोजीशन तो बता दिया मेरा ये कि I want to see फ्यूचर में वो और क्या इंट्रोड्यूस कर पाता है क्योंकि अब हो गया है, पीक हो गया है. He says he does not want to go in the entertainment sector because वो उस तरीके का बंदा नहीं है. तो अब वो क्या इंट्रोड्यूस करेगा. Now face cam हो गया, अब क्या कर सकता है. He can play around with a lot of really good shots. I think good quality cameras और editing के साथ वो आगे बढ़ सकता है. Like MKBHD has, Linus has, and all these tech channels has. He can maybe bring that to the क्या कहते हैं commentary genre. But I want to see what he can do. पर फिलहाल के लिए
Here's my take on Vedant. Okay.
Okay.
I don't think he belongs in fire. Okay. The reason being, let's look at the people who are in fire. Okay.
Okay.
Vedant Rashi, ठीक है. You can very easily say that he pushes out content on the regular. He's like a content machine. Every single day, any topic, he will jump on it and make a video out of it. Okay, fine. That is. But I don't see why you should look down upon that. यहाँ पे we have creators who are not putting out content. We have creators who are taking a lot of time to put out content. Like for example, look at the people who are there in fire. Most of them don't upload as regularly. Shweta Kamkar puts videos on trending topics all the time. Who cares about that? Kirti to once in a month. So is Swastikam. Okay. Oh, Dynamo is there. Okay, Dynamo is there. He live streams every single day. So he has to do things impromptu. This guy is covering. He's not putting his leg in one single domain. Okay? He has 5 different channels and he's taking care of all the 5 different channels.
does, yeah.
This guy tries to. He's a different way of making vlogs. Okay, I have seen his vlogs and he has a different way of telling his own story. Okay, and dude, और कौन करता है इतने ज़्यादा क्या बोलते हैं उसको content review on things which like are part and parcel of our life, things which we watch on Netflix, movies which we watch, all of that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And he also covers the entire YouTube domain. He knows everyone and everybody. And also, let's also not forget that Vedant is also has also another podcast channel. Okay, by the way, me and Okas have come. That's probably the best podcast he has ever had. But okay, cool. So I think, and the sheer idea that this guy is really disciplined, and you say that okay, बंदा disciplined है. Let's not throw that away so easily. Discipline होना बहुत difficult है, बहुत difficult है.
बिल्कुल सही.
Getting up, this guy wakes up at like 4 o'clock in the morning and आज तो डालूंगा कुछ भी हो जाए. ठीक है? And he does that every single day. So I think fire तो doesn't do him justice. I think somewhere in God, definitely. Does him.
No.
Yeah,
no,
I think you can put him on a bottom god or top fire, but I wouldn't say bottom of the fire to nahi. I don't think.
Bye. Look, who are you comparing him to?
Okay, who am I comparing
Not
to?
only discipline. Okay, I appreciate your discipline. Whatever you said, your points are very valid. Okay,
Right,
but
right.
we sheer discipline के ऊपर God पे रख ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि.
But it is not just sheer discipline, okay? He's very consistent also. He's very consistent also, and
ठीक है. Look, that doesn't mean कि उसकी वजह से सिर्फ हम लोग उसको गॉड पे रख देंगे क्योंकि जो उसके ऊपर है ना वो भी बहुत डिसिप्लिन्ड लोग हैं. वो भी बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली अपने YouTube को फॉलो करते हैं.
So I'm not saying कि put him on top god or something. I think he belongs in the category of God or the top of fire given the list of people who are there in fire.
I think like जो भी goat or God पे है is based on accomplishments, right? So I don't think like Vedant has accomplished as much as them.
Okay,
right?
okay, but would you say that he is among the people in fire? Among the people in fire, who has put the most number of videos out?
Vedant has, yeah.
Vedant has. Who has been consistent almost every single day for months? Dynamo has, Vedant has, right?
Okay, ठीक है. So there have been a lot of channels that have posted regularly for a very long time. ठीक है, discipline से. And their channel have died. ठीक है.
Okay.
So,
but his hasn't.
That is true. But because अगर सिर्फ रेगुलरिटी के हिसाब से हम लोग नहीं उसको फायर पे डाल सकते. मैं तो अभी सोच रहा हूँ कि आई थिंक स्वास्तिकम शुड कम डाउन टू ठीक है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ हर नॉन स्केड्यूल एज वेल यू नो.
But
I mean tier list हम लोग change कर सकते हैं. That's what tier list is about. We talk about and we change. So in my opinion, first of all, हम लोग वेदांत रश्टि को बाद में जज करते हैं. I think Swastikam should come down just because looking at these people who are on fire, I think she will be top ठीक है in my opinion.
And we are putting Jags on ठीक है bottom because he's new.
Not only because he's new. अभी वो सेम ही चीज़ किए जा रहा है. अभी देखना है मुझे और आगे क्या करता है. पैरोडी कितना पैरोडी भाई मतलब अच्छा बनाता है ऐसा नहीं है.
Okay, Bean, have you watched Kirti?
I have.
Vedant Rashti versus Kirti. Who is in it for the long run? Do you think?
Vedant.
Who will survive on the long run?
Vedant.
Okay, Vedant. ठीक है.
Really? On which base are you saying that? Why do you think Kirti will not survive or will survive?
I'm not saying nobody will survive or not, but I'm just saying like Vedant will actually go, forward.
Longer than Kirti? No. Content matters.
I mean, in the animation domain, yes. Kirti
No,
will.
no.
Kirti will.
No. In general as well, content matters.
In general, what other content does Kirti have other than animation?
And so, do you think animation has any boundaries? You're saying he can do whatever he wants.
Right. He can do whatever he wants, but
Ah.
let's not forget that we discussed at the start of the entire podcast. The
What he's
tier list,
doing.
what he's doing. So
Yeah,
he is
but
taking his time, right? His sweet time, right? So let him take his time. When he gets to the point where he's uploading at least very, very consistently every single month, then maybe he would have a better rank than Vedant.
No. Disagree. I don't think कि consistency के basis पे हम लोग judge कर सकते हैं. Consistency plus quality of the videos पे भी matter करता है.
Vedant की quality of videos is pretty good if you look at what the different domains he covers. It's also fine.
No, it is at max 5 out of 10. His quality of the videos. What are you talking about, man?
Okay, that is not true. Okay, so we don't agree. Okay, let's look at the majority.
Okay.
Can we put Vedant on top fire? Is my question. I can put Vedant on top fire.
No. Better than Who Cares and Kirti? Disagree. Major
Better than
Definitely
Who
not
Cares and Kirti?
better than Who Cares.
Definitely not better
Cares.
than Who Cares. Definitely not better than Kirti. Kirti does a lot of research.
Then we will have to put Who Cares as again as top fire. Kirti ko we have
Cares
to
on
put
top
back,
fire.
and
I
I will.
agree, I agree.
Why?
Who Cares on
Why
top
will
fire?
Who Cares will be on top
Because
fire?
I genuinely
I'll tell you
enjoy
why, okay? I'll tell you why, and
okay.
because simply because 1.5 months ago, Who Cares was at 3K subscribers. He was here in this podcast, and we did not even give him the relevance of a guest, and you told him he's irrelevant. And
No.
1 week later, he's at 15K, and he's gonna reach your subscriber growth very
You're
soon.
not getting.
Okay.
It
what?
doesn't matter if your video blows up. It doesn't matter. A lot of channel ke
It
videos
was
blow up.
let's be honest. It was a very, very good video. It was a very good video. His cinematics is amazing.
You're talking about the diss track. Diss track was
Yes.
good. The video,
Yeah.
the Yalgar is Mangar. It was not a good video. The points can be refuted very easily. I do not agree. Kirti's opinions are very well rounded. And when compared to Vedant, because he jumps so early and is so consistent, which is also his pro and a con, his opinions are also very surface level.
Here's what I think about the opinions of people, okay? Because I'm being very honest right now. I have seen most of these people's opinions, and मेरा अगर मैं बोलूँगा, and I'm nobody to say this because मैंने कुछ किया नहीं खास YouTube पे, but जितना मुझे पता है, most of the people who have these opinions, they don't really have a very strong opinion. They're just presenting facts.
Yeah.
They're just presenting facts,
Yeah.
and they don't have their own opinion, and they don't want to take an opinion because they're just scared. They're just scared कि क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मुझे इस बात पे लोग refute ना कर दें. Okay? Who Cares is one of those guys who doesn't give two fucks.
Yes.
Okay? He doesn't give two fucks. He's very, very raw. Okay? And उसको अगर कोई कैंसिल भी करने की कोशिश करे ना, उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता. And he will admit that he's wrong also, that he has done that also. He's done that also. Okay? I think that the fire has to be rearranged to Who Cares, Vedant and Kirti in that order. I think that.
Okay, cool. ठीक है.
What do you think, Bean?
Who Cares on
okay.
top for sure. Yeah.
Okay. What about the next two?
I cannot decide between Vedanta and Kirti though, but yeah, Who Cares
Okay,
on top for
so-
sure though.
Okay.
The रॉ होना उसका डेफिनेटली प्रो है, पर हम लोग ने बात भी की है इस बारे में. जस्ट बिकॉज ही इज रॉ, दैट इज ऑल्सो हिज कॉन.
But that is not just the only point we are saying, right? We are not saying he's just raw. He makes good content, man. What are you saying? He keeps the attention of people. भाई उसकी audience retention बहुत high है. बहुत high.
And plus he has influence
मैंने
as
पूछा है
well.
उसको.
Plus,
Of course
plus
I
he has
know.
influence as well. If you have to make this episode next year, I would put him on God. Next year.
अगर हाँ अगले ईयर. फिलहाल तो मुझे लगता है कि कीर्ति
He's
से
in
ऊपर
top 5
नहीं
for
है.
now though. Yeah.
कीर्ति से ऊपर नहीं है जस्ट बिकॉज कि कीर्ति की वीडियोस ज़्यादा हैं. कीर्ति के वीडियोस उससे एनिमेटेड रहती हैं, और कीर्ति के ओपिनियंस बहुत वेल राउंडेड रहते हैं.
So can you say that if you take that as an argument, तूने फर्स्ट क्या बोला? कीर्ति की वीडियोस से ज्यादा हैं, वेदांत की वीडियो कीर्ति से ज्यादा है.
हाँ,
ठीक है,
पर
that is one.
एनिमेशन है. उसके नेक्स्ट पॉइंट क्या था मेरा? उसकी
कीर्ति की
एनिमेशन है. कीर्ति.
ओके, उसके एनिमेशन है. वेदांत की मल्टीपल डिफरेंट जॉनरास में वीडियोस हैं. ठीक है.
So
And also, if we're
what do
actually
you
No.
Also,
Disagree.
if we're talking about opinions, then I don't think like Carrie's opinion like zyada hai, right?
Carrie has a lot more, guys. I don't think you're realizing this. Carrie has a lot more experience than all of these people combined. Carrie has been making videos longer than anybody.
But Shweta has also been making videos longer than most of these people.
Carrie started in 2007. Carrie started in 2007 as a kid, okay? And like I don't think you're looking through this as a when you make videos ना वो क्या कहते हैं impact कैसा पड़ता है. You are not thinking when क्या कहते हैं who cares makes a video on sub when he makes Dynamo का video ना तो Dynamo पे बंदे पहुँचते हैं. And I don't think we are realizing that how it feels to be on the receiving end.
True.
When you say some shit and your fans out of 30,000 like he has said out of 30,000 300 भी कम DMs में पहुंच जाए ना तो अगर तुम्हारी 300 DM में तुमको गाली पड़ रही है ना just because who cares भैया को cool समझते हैं, ठीक है? Who cares ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि who cares advocates this, ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, पर चूतिए बच्चे होते हैं जो पहुंच जाते हैं, ठीक है, जो मे बी उसके ट्रोल को नहीं समझ पाते, इसके लिए मैं कह रहा हूँ.
Okay, fine. What do you think will happen if Kirti makes a controversial video? How will he be able to handle it?
Right.
The same kind of video which Who Cares made. Do you think Kirti will be able to handle it?
Because Kirti's opinions will be very well rounded. Because he will.
Are you saying well? Are you trying to switch well-rounded with safe?
No. I'm not safe. Safe opinion नहीं है कीर्ति का. कीर्ति मैं बहुत बार कीर्ति से disagree किया हूँ. But because मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि okay where he is coming from. Okay, I am not just looking at it through viewers perspective. I am also looking at through as creators perspective. कि जब ये वीडियो किसी पे बनती है तो वो बंदे पे क्या बीतेगी, ठीक है? वो भी मैं कंसिडर कर रहा हूँ. एंड इसके लिए मुझे लगता है कि कीर्ति की वीडियोस बेटर हैं. Whereas
I understand that part. The only what I see in this argument of yours is कि Kirti has an upper hand because animation is really difficult. Okay?
Definitely. Yes.
But you are not considering the fact that Who Cares has amazing cinematography skills and amazing cinematography skills.
Has he shown it yet?
Yes, he has videos on it. You haven't seen those videos.
One video of his is a proper cinematic shot.
Which are you talking about?
The diss track.
The diss track. Have you seen his vlogs? You haven't, right?
No.
You haven't seen his cinematic vlogs.
The ones he have posted, the ones he also shared on Instagram.
The ones on YouTube. We are talking about YouTube here. Why are you going to Instagram in the first place?
No, I have not seen it.
Yes, this guy does know how to do his cinematics. And you can't compare, and it won't be fair for you to compare animation with cinematics because I personally am a guy for cinematics.
And I am a guy for animation.
Fine. Then I guess Bean has to decide whether it's Kirti or Who Cares on top.
Cool.
I'm a guy for both.
What?
Cool.
Like
I just
decide which one will be on top between Kirti and Who
I think
Cares.
Kirti will because his cinematic shots are just like in one or
Kirti
two
would?
videos. No, wait.
Achha.
Who Cares' cinematic shots are just like
Shots,
in
okay.
one or two videos, right?
One or two videos, okay.
Like so now we're talking about Who Cares' ki potential, which he hasn't shown yet. So
Okay.
yeah. So until then, I think number 2 of Fire for Who Cares is okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then Vedant Rishi stays, I guess,
On
wherever
number
he is.
3, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool.
Fine.
We
Cool.
have Adit Minocha. Pretty bad.
I haven't watched much of his content.
have
it's
watched-
still generic.
I have watched a few of Adit's videos, not as many. उसके Instagram पे I watch a little bit of his reels or whatever. But I would give him one ठीक है. He's very new, but उसकी growth ही बहुत तेज हुई है. बहुत तेज हुई है.
इसके लिए लेकिन अभी मेरे को लग रहा है काफी जेनेरिक वीडियोस है.
But तू क्या बोल रहा है? Why did he suddenly growth? Sudden growth हुआ क्यों उसका?
उर्वशी वाला सीन हो गया, उसकी एक वीडियो उठ गई तो वो चढ़ जाती है. एंड दैट इज आल्सो अ बून एंड अ कर्स लाइक वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इट ना. जैसे तेरे साथ हुआ था.
हाँ.
नहीं रुकती है ऑडियंस. इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू लाइक अगर तुम्हारी वीडियो उठ गई तो उसके साथ
But did he collab with Sunribi at 20k though?
Yeah.
That was before the whole Urvashi.
No.
Yeah.
No. It was पहले Urvashi.
I would say he would come at the same level as ठीक है as Jags because वो भी मैंने नया देखा है उसको and he's how long has he been creating content for?
अच्छा तो ठीक है मैं बताता हूँ मेरे हिसाब से क्यों नहीं रहेगा जैग से नीचे क्योंकि जो जस्ट बिकॉज मैंने काफ़ी कंटेंट कंज्यूम कर लिया है. नो क्या कहते हैं ऑफेंस टू आदित्य के फैंस या आदित्य इफ ही इज वाचिंग हिमसेल्फ. मैं लॉन्डे को फॉलो करता हूँ, एक दो बार डीएम पे भी बात हुई है. जस्ट बिकॉज मैंने उसके जैसा कंटेंट बनाया है क्योंकि मैं जेनेरिक था एक समय पे. नॉट सेइंग मैं उससे ऊपर हूँ या नीचे हूँ पर मैंने उसके जैसा कंटेंट बनाया है और मैंने उसके जैसा कंटेंट कंज्यूम भी बहुत किया. तो एट दिस पॉइंट मेरे लिए उसके जैसा कंटेंट एज अ क्रिएटर एंड एज अ व्यूअर प्रिटी बैड रहता है, मेरे से नहीं देखा जाता।
ज्ञानी लेवल प्रिटी बैड।
ज्ञानी लेवल प्रिटी बैड।
ओके,
ज्ञानी लेवल
मेरा है ठीक है। So you can oscillate your mouse between ठीक है and pretty bad.
But ठीक है पे कौन सा?
ठीक है bottom,
lowest ठीक है I think.
Yeah. Lowest ठीक है.
Yeah, because he's not as bad as Gyani.
Yeah.
Like he's good. Like I actually do like chuckle
he's
a few
good,
times.
man.
Yeah.
Next we have the
Trash. Moving on.
Can you
moving
please? नहीं क्या fuck off. Moving on. Okay, so Ocus is gonna keep his mouth shut and the comment section is gonna be really really happy for the next 5 minutes.
He fucking moved himself up to goat and then like.
He straight up go up to goat. Ocus तो कुछ नहीं बोल सकता इसके बारे में and you can't hold any grudges throughout the rest of the freaking episode.
Yeah.
So Veen, it's a discussion between you and me about this curly head boy. Okay, where do we put him?
Damn, I cannot be unbiased.
I mean,
I cannot be biased, right? Ah, shit.
Yeah,
Trash.
man, I was thinking between trash and who, man,
Yeah,
who is this guy?
Who the fuck is this guy? I haven't heard.
You
of
can't recognize him 1 month later, man. It's like so difficult to recognize this guy, man.
him. Yes.
I think-
निखिल
I'm-
की कंट्रोवर्सी के पहले जानता कौन था इसको?
कौन जानता था यार इसको? कौन ये इंसान भाई? I don't understand. What is the look at him with his victory symbol. Nobody fucking care. You're not victorious. So fuck up, okay?
Yeah.
Always putting out
No,
his own
this
opinions.
is-
इधर
I
हम
made-
लोग बैठे कुछ कर नहीं रहे हैं.
I've made 2 good videos. Yeah, sure.
I made 2 good videos. उसके बाद I decided to become a rip-off of Sunravi. Okay, that's why I put Sunravi in GOAT. I think Ocus has left the chat. He has walked off from the camera.
Yeah, why is he silent? What is he doing, chat? I can't see until I edit this video. I'm not going to be able to see him.
Ocus has just walked away. It's like so sad, man. It's so sad. And the worst part is we can't change this, right? We can't like move him around. He is the one who has to finally listen to us and decide where to move him around. So like, where would you put him? Let's being very honest. Given that we have so many people to cover, let's decide where do we put our little baby Papa Ocus? Where do we put him?
You first, I guess. I'll just agree. I don't know. It's too. I mean, I do not want to be biased. So yeah, I do.
I'm not gonna see. Ocus is a hype machine. Okay, and I know this guy personally because he's my fucking co-host in Persona guys.
Yeah.
And I have all the bias for him, and I have mentioned in various other podcasts how much I think he will be a top YouTuber. But it is important for me to keep our little boy in check. So I would for now put him I will not give him GOAT. I will not give him GOAT because हमको हमारे बच्चे को humble रखना है, ठीक है? We don't want him to fly the fuck away and then bench कान लग जाए भाई साहब, ऐसा नहीं हो जाएगा हमको.
Yeah.
I will put Ocus in God tier, right below his previous employer, so that everybody agrees. Let's put Ocus. I would like to put Ocus in God wherever you feel like. I don't mind.
Yeah.
I don't mind.
Second
Ocus
God,
कुछ नहीं बोल रहा. He's quiet. He's like pant.
Is he crying or is he blushing now?
I don't know. What do you think? Where do you want to put Ocus in? Which tier do you want to put him in?
Second God. Mainly
Second
because
God.
I enjoy his videos and
Okay.
I'm not being biased. Like even
Yeah.
if he wasn't a friend, I still enjoy his videos. Yeah.
Right. Ocus, just being honest, okay? I'm not gonna put you in God. You know why I'm not gonna put you in God, okay? I'm gonna put you in God for this reason only. But yeah, we all know who Ocus is. And yeah, the two in his hand shows कि 2 relevant video बनाई है मैंने. उसके बाद all I have done is face cam, ठीक है? Because बेंचत content डालना है मुझे. फिर मैं बोलूँगा वेदांत रस्ती खाली content फेंकता रहता है all the time. Okay, that's what I'll do. Okay, cool. I think we're good. This is the best part of the entire fucking video. Okay, you can speak now. कुछ बोल, hello.
You can try. You can try.
I didn't expect you guys to put me in God. If I
Where-
was to be मेरे को पूछा जाता, so I would put myself as ठीक है, top ठीक है.
चल बे लोडू.
तेरी
झूठे.
कसम.
अबे हो, मेरी कसम मत खा. बोल क्या मरेगा क्या? मुझे मरवाएगा क्या?
बीन
साले
की
पागल.
कसम.
भाई he's our editor. What do you mean? पागल है तू.
तो मेरे को that's what I'm saying. I value him so much that I am okay with him not dying.
तू अपनी कसम खा.
मेरी कसम भाई, मेरी कसम. Just because I know I can do much better and I want to do much better.
Right. तो ठीक है, अपने आप को तो ठीक है पे डाल दे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. We don't mind. ठीक है पे डाल दे अपने को साले.
I genuinely am not trying to be humble. I am a narcissist motherfucker. I
That's
love
true.
myself.
Yes, you
but
do.
I'm gonna be honest with myself. I can be much better and level above almost everybody in this tier.
So do you think that you
There
will
it
form
is.
like
There it is.
you do you
Next
think that
year,
you will
2021.
you will form your own label goat के ऊपर?
Yeah. I'll
Yeah.
have I'll have Ocus.
Papa.
Bro, just wait. 2021 takeover season. खुद मैंने ट्वीट किया था. I was like 2021 में तुम लोग खुद मुझे गोट टियर में डालोगे. एंड सारे ट्विटर पे सब लोग होलसम हो गए. भैया पापा आप तो ऑलरेडी ट्विटर गोट पे हो. पापा आप तो 2016
how do we know that you are not doing this right now? What you just did, this move from goat to ठीक है, is just for that comment section में लोग बोले यार ओकस कितना humble है यार, मैंने तो उसको गलत समझा था.
I am not humble. I am very मैं एडवोकेट अगेंस्ट रहता हूँ कि humble नहीं होने का दिमाग का भोसड़ा हो जाता है. ठीक है. पर मेरा मैं बस ये कह रहा हूँ, मैं अप्रिशिएट कर रहा हूँ मेरे ट्विटर के लॉन्डो को जो मेरा उस दिन मेरा मूड बना दिए थे. पर या मूविंग ऑन.
Okay, now we have प्रखर के प्रवचन. Okay.
For me, he's a who.
He's a who.
One
Okay.
video at max 5 मिनट देखा. फिर क्लिक ऑफ कर दिया. Just
प्रखर के प्रवचन. I will be very controversial right now, because I have never said this before. But last time you remember when श्वेताब गांगुर के बारे में मैंने बोला था कि he gave me like
एक
iffy
सेकंड
vibes.
एक सेकंड.
बोलो.
So बी मेरे को पहले ही पूछना. बीन तुमने प्रखर को देखा है?
I have watched.
ओके कितना रेगुलरली?
I watched like the 5-6 minutes का highlights जो भी उसने बनाया. Yeah.
ओके
I watched him.
सो नाइदर मैं और नाइदर बीन इज
Yes.
वेरी मैंने और बीन ने हम लोग ने उसका इतना कंटेंट कंज्यूम नहीं किया है. ये फैक्ट है.
I watched
ठीक
him
है?
Okay.
in just
तो
a day.
अभी
so
जो
yeah,
भी
sure.
हाँ तो जो अभी भी डिसीजन आएगा वो तुम कर रहे हो राव. तुम डिसाइड करोगे कि वेयर ही पुट्स.
My opinion on प्रखर के प्रवचन is I will consider this guy in his own domain. ठीक है. And his domain is very similar to that of श्वेताब. Okay. I have mentioned previously कि श्वेताब गांगुर थोड़ा पता नहीं है, maybe it's a bias but like थोड़ा iffy लगता है मुझे, पता नहीं क्यों. प्रखर के प्रवचन, this guy, his videos makes me question all of my like ideas about any particular topic he talks about, any particular topic, and most of his topics he talks about are very similar to the ones which I have thought about properly. मतलब 2-3 साल अच्छे से सोचा है मैंने इसके बारे में. ठीक है. He is, by the way,
एग्जांपल दे सकते so that people
on psychology, on philosophy, on thought process. सोचना कैसे है, how do you critique something, what is the point of this, what is the point of that, all of that. ठीक है. So प्रखर जो है, first of all he has obviously a strong foundation on that. The reason why he is so good is probably one of the reasons is this guy is a psychology student, Columbia University में पढ़ता है ये. ठीक है. And he's extremely articulate to the point where like not even like Shwetab level articulate is okay, but Prakhar I would straight up put him around in fire around who cares. And I can even go on and say कि कीर्ति के opinion से तो much better है, but obviously that won't stand. कीर्ति के opinion से भी much better है, but that won't stand because obviously कीर्ति has made much more number of videos. But oh man, if you have कीर्ति and प्रखर one-on-one, anyone तू किसी भी टायर में डाल दे प्रखर को, that person I'm sure, because उसके खुद का एक पॉडकास्ट है PG रेडियो करके, he will ask you such difficult questions that it will make you question your own opinion. ठीक है, all the freaking time. And ऐसा नहीं है कि बंदा बहुत what do you call it, he's very he won't change his opinion. He's very stringent about कि हाँ यही मेरा opinion यही है, ऐसा नहीं है. And his way of figuring out things is also very different from my way of figuring out things. I think when I had this conversation with him, he said that he first experiment करता है, infer करता है experiment से, and then from that he goes back to books and whatever has been done in literature to verify what his inferences are, which I don't do and which most people do. They do the reverse. Books पढ़ते हैं, opinions निकालते हैं, उनको टेस्ट करते हैं रियल वर्ल्ड में. दिस गाय टेस्ट्स एंड देन वेरीफाइज इट बैक इन द लिटरेचर. तो आई थिंक दिस गाय डेफिनेटली फॉर मी हु डिजर्व टॉप फायर, बट राइट नाउ गिवन दैट ही इज अ स्मॉल चैनल, but definitely much way above everybody else in the fire list in terms of at least having opinions. I'm not putting him in God or goat because he hasn't been around for that long, but he will get there.
I think like if you think like Shweta is like a good motivating speaker, then
Yeah.
this guy's like 100 times that.
Yeah, he doesn't motivate you. He tells you कि ऐसा
Tells
क्यों
you-
है.
Yeah, it tells
He
you
tells you
why
the
it
truth.
is.
Like,
Yeah.
honest truth कि भाई ऐसा है, तुम्हें करना है करो, वरना तुम मत करो भाई, तुम्हें खुद डिसाइड करना है क्या करना है.
Yeah. Like he was talking about the TikTok versus
Yeah, I heard that.
thing as
Very
well.
different perspective
Yeah,
from
a
what
completely
others were.
different. Yeah. So I
Very
would
fresh.
say like, yeah, in Fire, I can't really decide if he's better than Who Cares, but then yeah, in Fire for sure.
What about you, Okus? What do you have to say? You're still putting him in Who, right?
No.
He's Spider-Man fan.
मतलब I don't I haven't yeah, you're right, I haven't watched his content.
Right. Okay, fine. If you haven't watched his content, but तूने एक दो वीडियो कुछ देखा है, कुछ भी देखा है तूने उसका?
मैंने उसका ऐड देखा है इंस्टाग्राम पे.
Wow. Wow. But तुझे क्यों आ रहे हैं उसके एड्स?
पता नहीं, मैं मे बी बिकॉज मैंने और उसने डीएम पे बात की ना एक बार, तो शायद से इसके लिए आ गए हूँ, पता नहीं यार. पर मतलब ऐसा नहीं, चूतिया नहीं लगता बंदा. जो कुछ रहते हैं ना, जो आई डोंट लाइक यूजिंग दिस वर्ड, सूडो इंटेलेक्चुअल्स, पर कुछ रहते हैं, पर वैसा नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है कि अपनी, ऐसा लगता है बंदा की गलतियां अगर होगी तो समझ जाएगा हैं, और ओपन भी है गलतियों को लेने के लिए. और
हाँ,
ऐसा
open तो
जैसे
है
तूने बोला कि ऐसा एकदम ये नहीं है, क्या कहते हैं, रिजिड
Stringent नहीं है about his
हाँ
opinions,
ओपिनियंस. इस तरीके से बात करता है जिस
वो
तरीके से तुमको
हाँ
लगे.
वैसे बात करता है वो.
हाँ.
थोड़ा डिप्लोमेटिक साइड तो है ही उसका, बट
yeah.
आई थिंक द वे ही पोर्ट्रेज इट इज what with this one conversation we had, basically instead of like some people usually focus on कि अरे इसने मेरे को गलत बोल दिया ऐसा कुछ, ठीक है. This guy focuses more on कि अच्छा tell me more about what you mean here.
या
Like, wow.
साइकोलॉजी स्टूडेंट है ना, तो बंदों का एनालाइज करता है ये, वो तो मैंने नोटिस कर लिया. पर या मूविंग ऑन, वी हैव आशीष चंचलानी. मैं सबसे पहले जाऊँ कि मैं सबसे एंड में जाऊँ?
तुम सबसे ज़्यादा बात की तुम.
हाँ, मैंने आशीष से सबसे ज़्यादा बात की है. आई थिंक मैं और आशीष बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड्स बन चुके हैं. और मैं और आशीष मतलब सुबह 6 बजे तक बात कर रहे हैं, कॉल पे 1 घंटे तक बात कर रहे हैं. ऐसे दोस्त, प्रॉपर दोस्त बन चुके हैं.
Nice.
वो अपनी प्रॉब्लम शेयर करता है, मैं अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स कभी कभी शेयर करता हूँ. अच्छे दोस्त. तो तुम बताओ, मैं पहले जाऊँ कि सबसे आखिरी में जाऊँ?
पहले जाओ, तुम्हारा बायस पहले हटाएं.
नहीं, मैं कहूँगा कि पहले मैं अनबायस हो गया. मैं कंटेंट के बारे में बात करूँगा, मैं बंदे के बारे में नहीं बात करूँगा.
करो बोलो. पिछली बार हम बोले.
चलो ठीक है चलो. तो मैं बोलूँगा जस्ट बिकॉज सबसे पहली बात तो अगर तुमने आशीष की वीडियो देखी और तुम बोलोगे कि आशीष की वीडियो क्रिंजी है, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डिसएग्री करूँगा. ठीक है.
Okay.
तो मैंने उसको वीडियो में बोला था कि आशीष इज़ नॉट द राइट पर्सन बिकॉज उसकी रेपो थोड़ी ख़राब है. एंड दैट्स बिकॉज लोग ज़्यादातर आशीष चंचलानी को आई डोंट नो वाई आशीष चंचलानी को मोस्टली सेन अनीशा दीक्षित के साथ घसीट लेते जस्ट बिकॉज वो भी स्किट्स बनाता है, यू नो. बाकी स्किट्स चैनल के साथ बेनीवाल वगैरह के साथ घसीट लेते हैं. एंड मैं बहुत ऑनेस्टली बोलूँगा गाइस, उसकी वीडियोस बुरी नहीं है. उसकी वीडियोस बिल्कुल बुरी नहीं है. इनफैक्ट उसकी वीडियोस बहुत अच्छी है. वो खुद लिखता है. उसने कभी भी ऐसा मिसोजिनिस्टिक साइड स्किट्स कभी नहीं बनाए. And that's very difficult to be that aware since the beginning, because even Amit Badana, who was one of the biggest skit channel and the biggest channel in YouTube India, did that kind of stuff, and he never did. Since जब ये टिकटॉक वगैरह ड्रामा हुआ था उससे बहुत पहले से इसने वीडियोस बनाई हुई थी जहाँ पे he was very articulate, like चक्का लगा रखा है, चक्के वालों ये तुम इनकी ट्रांसजेंडर की जिंदगी नहीं होती क्या, वो इंसान नहीं होते क्या, ऐसे उसने बहुत वेल ओपिनियन, जैसे मैंने बोला वेल राउंडेड ओपिनियंस काफ़ी लोगों को अवेयर किया है जो उसकी ऑडियंस है, जो हम लोग सब लोग अग्री कर सकते हैं कि इस थोड़ी थर्ड टायर सिटीज वाले देखते हैं इसको. ये हम लोग सब लोग अग्री कर सकते हैं. नॉट ओनली दैट, आशीष एडिट्स ऑल ऑफ हिज वीडियोस. ठीक है. All of his videos are edited by him. All of his videos are directed by him. All of his videos are also written by him. So as a creator, being on that level and still being so dedicated to your craft when you quite frankly don't have to, is definitely a win for me. And we're going to talk about what he's creating now.
Right.
What he's creating now is really good. In what he does is really good. And I'm not being biased here, guys. I'm not being biased. he's funny. You cannot say that he's not funny. Maybe he's
Okay.
not the witty funny, but he can write what he writes, and it makes people laugh. And his audience extreme. My mom cries while watching his videos. I
Why?
personally,
She should laugh, right?
yeah, I'm out of laughing.
Okay.
I personally don't watch his videos that much, but even while I'm watching, I chuckle once in a while, and I would say I'm a tough crowd when it comes to skits. So for
Okay.
me,
So where would you put him?
after finally saying all of that, I would put him above, not above, but around on the same level as Carrie. So this way.
Okay.
I don't
Okay.
know why I wouldn't put him. Maybe I can put him on GOAT, but just because I don't watch his content on the regular,
हाँ.
लाइक मैं ऐसा नहीं ओ आशीष ने वीडियो डाल दी क्लिक कर देते हैं आशीष ने
Okay.
वीडियो आ जाती है होम पेज पे क्योंकि बड़े ही इतने हैं हम क्लिक कर देते हैं पर नॉट दैट मच सो या दैट इज माय ओपिनियन
Bean, why don't you go first?
Like I think family friendly on YouTube sells a lot more than any other channel. I mean any other genre in this. So I think Ashish like is the leader in that in that domain. So
Okay.
yeah, I think he would be best suited in God or Goat. I don't know.
No, well, I would just like to add one thing. He dips his feet on both of the genres.
Both.
He also makes friendly and like edgy गाली वाली भी दे देता है लौंडा
Yeah.
काफी गालियां दे देता है
I would put Ashish on Top God over Carrie also. I think he's more funnier than BB, Carrie, Tanmay, all of them.
yeah he has also
he is.
more
I think
views
that
वगैरह भी I think
व्यूज वगैरह तो
statistically
ठीक है नंबर इतना मैं फोकस नहीं करता बिकॉज फॉर मी मेरी ओपिनियन है ना तो मैं ऐसा सोच रहा हूँ कि आई हैव
Yeah.
ऑलवेज वॉच्ड हिज वीडियोज एंड आई एम उसके जो करंट वीडियोज हैं उसके कंपैरिजन में obviously he had a prime, he maybe still has something more to add, but he has always been that guy I've watched जो बहुत हंसाता है he has a different kind of
vibe
his jokes are very different from what BB's jokes are and what Carrie's jokes are.
Yeah true,
And
true,
Tanmay to is just raw,
Yeah,
very raw comedy. ठीक है?
Yeah,
Ashish definitely top god, and maybe I would. Man, it's difficult, right? Like I can't put him in GOAT as well. I think
why
he
do you
belongs,
think I don't understand why we can't. I'm thinking about it
because
and I-
see the thing because he has I have to there is one other contender in the future जो इस list में है, and it will be a bit controversial because Ashish wants to do something the few things
Yeah,
which
okay.
one of the other people has already done.
Yes.
Okay, so I will talk about that in the future. But I think right now we can change right in the future if possible.
yeah definitely
So
I think
definitely top god.
Okay, here is something I will add. ये जो गोट पे मैं इसके लिए नहीं डालूंगा because आशीष बीबी both and I think अभी थोड़े समय में कैरी भी are not going to move away from YouTube, right? And a good
And go
thing
where?
would Bollywood.
They want to try Bollywood. Yeah.
They were try आशीष ने तो बोला भी है काफ़ी ओपन रहा है
Yes,
कि वो
yes.
YouTube उसका हमेशा एक स्टेपिंग स्टोन रहा. उसने कभी यूट्यूबर बनने के बारे में नहीं सोचा था. उसका हमेशा गोल बॉलीवुड में था.
Yes.
एंड
कैरी बॉलीवुड में क्या करेगा?
देखेंगे यार, सबके पास पोटेंशियल रहता है, हमको नहीं
Okay.
पता ऐसा.
I guess
He's ended
I
the
guess Dhruv
music
Rathi
scene
भी
as well,
Bollywood
so,
में.
yeah.
Dhruv Rathi plays the role of Arnab Goswami in
nice.
Bollywood.
नहीं बट तू देखना लाइक अवे फ्रॉम द होल टॉपिक अ गाय फ्रॉम क्या कहते हैं उल्लासनगर इंजीनियर for him to be able to climb so high on his own, hanging out with apparently he's like from what I've talked to him, he's in touch with Bollywood people on the regular. He has befriended quite a few people of stars, the
Yeah.
new generation stars,
Right.
and he talks to people. So and he has gone through like Marvel वगैरह में भी बहुत गया है यार, वो सब कर लिया.
Right,
So guy
right.
from Ullasnagar who has done so much, he deserves to be on top of the god, if not in
Okay.
GOAT.
He is definitely very very funny. उसके एक दो he tried to do a few short films अभी recently.
Yeah.
They were good. They were not
They're good.
amazing, but
Yeah.
he's trying to. उसने बोला भी था I think one of the interviews में कि he wants to do a bit of short films because he wants to. He has a directional side to him, directorial side to him. So
But
okay, I will still put him on God. Maybe you can change it in the future depending on his biggest contender according to me.
we have
Yeah.
Let's
Who
move
is that?
next.
Yeah, who is that?
next.
Okay, what?
Yeah.
Who is that? I can't see the face.
Elvis Yadav?
Yeah.
Who?
Yeah, that's that.
That.
We have Anisha Dixit. What do you think?
guys please जज मत करना कमेंट सेक्शन में. ठीक करो झगड़ा. पता नहीं भाई अलीशा यादव कौन है, क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं. ठीक है, एक ही लक्ष्य चौधरी है हमारे पास. What the hell? Relax guys.
What about
अनीशा दीक्षित.
for me? नहीं झिलता यार उसका.
भाई,
दीदी आप probably बहुत अच्छे होगे यार, मतलब अब बोलना पड़ता है क्योंकि यार आप लोग देख लेते हो एंड मैं नहीं चाहता कि आपको बुरा लगे किसी क्रिएटर को, क्योंकि भाई क्रिएटर होते हैं, पर दीदी नहीं झिलता मुझसे आपका कंटेंट. सॉरी यार.
I have no opinions, so I will just keep my mouth shut. I will not put her on who.
Definitely तुमने उसकी एक वीडियो देखी.
I'll put her on pretty bad, honestly. ज्ञानी level.
Not worse than Garib.
Garib is deserves a different level of label, okay? And I know which people to put in that label. ठीक है? Do you see my recent tweet?
Yeah,
Jesus freaking Christ.
What
about you, Bean?
She blocked me on Instagram.
Oh no, she blocked me as well. You know what? I don't care if you will. I don't like your content.
Like, if you can't take constructive criticism, then I don't know, man.
Yeah. You were very soft on her as well.
Yeah, I tried to be neutral, and she still blocked me. Like, okay.
Nah, please.
Wow. Comment section में everywhere like भाई block. Nice यार. Level block. So there should be a level focus. Label में डालना चाहिए था trash के बाद blocked. इसको डाल.
We have Fing.
Fing. Isn't it the guy who makes like what do you call it?
Conspiracy theory videos.
Conspiracy theory videos.
Yeah, and I don't like.
Are they any good?
I don't like conspiracy theories. बहुत honestly guys. मुझे नहीं पसंद. पता नहीं कभी उनमें था नहीं. खास भी नहीं लगती. हो जाता हूँ मैं.
I don't know Fing who whatever.
I only watch his conspiracy theory videos. I think they're like inspired from Shane Dawson. I could say.
Yeah.
Okay.
In TK, I guess. Above,
Where in TK?
Above Adit. Yeah.
Nah, मैं तो ये बोल नहीं. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna be fair. He's above.
Humor man? No. I think
he's above Ocus.
Makes a lot better than
not above me. What are you talking about?
No. You can't compare him with the T-Man, man.
Come on.
You can't.
Humor man is a lot better. Come on. Yeah.
But Humor man is not regular, ना?
Regular की बात है ही नहीं, but like it's about the content he's already made, right? So
I have seen him in a few of his live sessions on Instagram. I don't know what he makes, man.
No,
honestly, I don't have any opinions on him. You guys have to discuss.
He has a gaming channel as well, which I think I'm a lot better than him. So, but
oh
yeah, but
Shane,
boys, yeah, let's go, man, let's go.
But yeah,
yes.
I think in TK for sure, because I do enjoy his conspiracy theory videos. So TK.
TK में where?
TK में where?
Not above Jags for sure. Like above Adit.
Ocus, what do you think?
I agree. No, but पर देखना, अगर हम लोग ने जैसे हुकेस के में भी सिनेमैटिक्स किया, ये बंदे के पास भी सिनेमैटिक्स का थोड़ा अकल है. लाइक लाइटिंग वाइटिंग अच्छे से लगा लेता है, बढ़िया, मतलब सिनेमैटिक शॉट वॉट बढ़िया डाल देता है लौंडा. इसके लिए मैं कहूँगा कि थोड़ा जैक से ऊपर रख लेते हैं.
ठीक है. Has he been uploading for? Has been relevant for a few years.
Yeah, quite a while actually.
Okay, then keep him.
We have to wrap this up quickly. Okay, now.
Yeah.
Harsh Beniwal. Where do you think? I would say
Harsh Beniwal. Oh, dude.
Yeah.
So this is his competitor. This is Ashish Chanchlani's biggest competitor for me.
Oh.
Acha.
I love Harsh Beniwal's comedy. Very slapstick humor, just like Ashish. And he also did another thing which Ashish really wanted to do. This guy has, what has he done? He's been in a Bollywood movie. Okay, he's been in Bollywood. He's been an actor in Bollywood. Okay, a supporting role.
Oh.
A supporting role, not even like a, what do you call it? ऐसा वैसा कुछ नहीं.
Okay.
He's been in a Karan Johar movie. Okay, and his humor is very slapstick. That is there.
Oh.
Okay.
And he is very, very funny. I would put him on God, but I don't know. It's very subjective to me whether he should be above Ashish or below Ashish, because he has an entourage. This guy, just like Ashish does, but this guy has a proper entourage of people he makes videos with.
Right.
Okay, his own squad. Okay, which I really admire, because it is very difficult to have a group of people together with you who are all funny and you are going towards the same goal in a single channel, which he does really well. So I think I would definitely put him on God, but I don't know whether I should put him above Ashish or below Ashish, because his achievements are very equivalent to that of Ashish, and some of them are more than what Ashish wants to do. Like उसने movies किए हैं, उसने खुद के short films बनाए हैं बहुत सारे, ठीक है, and they rack up views like anything on YouTube.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I will counter that point. You probably know this as well. उसके काफी सारे jokes चुराए हुए रहते हैं.
I don't know this.
Yeah, उसके काफी सारे jokes.
From where?
I will send you a video as well, Bean. Scene से लेके जो तुम अभी play भी कर देना. Scene से लेके literal word to word काफी सारे jokes are either taken from old movies or like
that's
some
insane.
stand-ups.
Okay.
Yeah, he has had quite a like कम से कम 4 से 5 बार मैंने clips देख चुका हूँ जो same like ditto है. इसके लिए for me I pull him down to like I don't know if he edits his own videos और उसका production quality खुद करता है कि नहीं, पर for me right now he would be around I think fire पे रख दूंगा उसको, considering कि वो खुद की videos edit करता है, ठीक है, और खुद डायरेक्शन में है जितना आशीष है, खुद लिखता तो खुद नहीं है, well sorry, लिखता तो I mean the joke was कि वो दूसरों से चुराता है, that was the papa. But yeah, I would put him somewhere here just because उसने काफ़ी कर लिया accomplish. पर यार मतलब मैं ऐसा लगता है मेरे को, ठीक है.
Damn.
What about you, Bean?
I've been put on gunpoint now because
Yeah,
I don't know
you
who this
decide.
guy is.
Oof.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I don't know.
Irrelevant.
Wow.
Roast.
Wow.
I don't mean to roast you, whoever you are, but I really don't know. I mean, I'm seeing for the first
समझा.
time. Like, oh, okay.
Relevancy
अच्छा, ऐसा है.
level
So,
बढ़ा.
ऐसा है.
So where do
Okay.
we put him? Okay, so who? तो उसको तो पता भी
I
नहीं
don't-
है.
I
So
don't even
it's between
know.
you and me,
So
August.
I
We have
no
to reach a
opinion about
point
it.
Now
of agreement.
अब तो तू बता, क्या अगर एक skit बना रहा है and
हाँ.
सेम टू सेम अगर तू एक मूवी देखी है तूने बोला चल ये डाल देते हैं, ठीक है, जोक्स चुराने वाले पे भी जाते भी नहीं, सिर्फ
I haven't seen that video, right? So it would be
नहीं,
not
नहीं,
fair.
I
for
think
me.
for anyone to be able to copy jokes or something, you have to give credit, and you have to say, yeah, it's inspired by this movie or inspired by this. So
don't think he
if
has,
he
don't
doesn't
think he
do
has.
that, then
But
yeah, I
should
don't
we
know.
also consider the fact that you can't just copy jokes because
Yeah.
you can't copy delivery.
cannot? Yeah.
You can't beef if you're not funny. You're not funny.
No. But his stuff is skits, na, so that can be copied, na, from movies and stuff.
Still, I don't think you should, right?
Yeah, I don't agree. I don't think you should. I
Yeah.
don't think like nahi, I don't agree. Nahi. So I think he would be. Honestly, I would bring him down just because of that whole reason. I would put him.
Otherwise, where would you have put him?
Around, of course, because he has. मतलब unfortunately मैं नहीं चाहता, मेरे को उसका content इतना पसंद नहीं, but I think he would be around BB Ashish. Slay Point next.
Slay Point. मैंने इनके 5 या 6 वीडियो देखे हैं.
मेरे दिस इज माय ओपिनियन, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं
Top
बोलूँगा. बहुत समय से बना रहे हैं, काफ़ी डिसेंट वीडियोस बना रहे हैं, कॉन्स्टेंटली बना रहे हैं.
I would put them put him. वाह मेरा क्यों यार? Why does the light always go away? क्या यार? What is this? ठीक है, cool. I would put them. Jugs है ना, Jugs? Jugs के just ऊपर डालिए उसको प्लीज. जस्ट
यहाँ पे
ऊपर जस्ट के ऊपर पैरेलल
यहाँ
ऊपर.
पे,
हाँ,
oh.
यस, जस्ट एग्जैक्टली वहीं पे. ठीक है, परफेक्ट. दिस इज द
यहाँ पे
परफेक्ट
तुम
प्लेस.
रखोगे और मैं उसको टॉप पे, तो बीन तुम डिसाइड करोगे यहाँ पे कहाँ पे आएगा.
Yes, top 5 from me because I not
Fact.
only enjoyed their main channel videos, I also enjoyed the
Their
gaming
second
videos as well.
और पॉप कर रही है वो, गेमिंग चैनल पॉप कर रहा है लॉन्डो
Gameplay
का.
channel. क्या कर रहे हैं वो
I freaking
videos
love
उसमें?
it. Yeah, he plays.
देखो जाके.
He plays cricket 19 as well, dude. It's entertaining. I tell you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good stuff. We have Malika.
Very biased opinion. I would put her on Pretty Bad.
Oh,
Same actually. Same.
biased. Pretty bad.
Sorry
Very
guys,
biased
अगर तुम कोई मलिका का फैन है या मलिका देख रही है,
नहीं.
मेरे लिए व्लॉग्स इतने, मैंने पहले भी पिछली वीडियो में बोला मैं व्लॉग्स नहीं देखता, मुझे नहीं पसंद. एक ही दो आए हैं जिन्होंने मेरे को एंटरटेन कर पाए हैं व्लॉग्स के थ्रू, एंड उसके व्लॉग्स देखता हूँ तो मेरे को हमेशा बहुत
She makes roasting videos, and let me say that I have had.
I
yeah.
forgot about that scene. Yeah, she does.
She does make roasting videos, and I'm not even considering all the drama, but yeah, pretty bad.
हाँ, she's young as well, so she
Yeah, she's
climb
young.
कर
She's
लेगी.
17. That's the excuse she's been using for the last 3 years. I don't care.
Oof.
Uh,
Okay.
I don't really care.
Okay, then boys, we have.
She's
mostly
better than
same.
Gyani though. Come on.
I don't honestly care. Any of them, they're pretty bad, man. Both of them.
Okay, yeah, let's just
Like
put
Gary.
her. I'm sorry.
I
if,
would
like,
I would
तुम लोग-
not put Mostly Sane and Malika in the same tier ever.
Where would you put her?
I would put actually contrary to popular belief, I would put Mostly Sane on ठीक है, bottom ठीक है,
Same.
but I'd put her in ठीक है.
Agree.
Dude, she has achieved a lot of things, which a lot of us can most likely will not. Okay,
She has.
she is.
But here comes the nail in the. You know what? I will not say. You will see a video. I'll make a video regarding this. मिलते हैं.
Okas is already making that video, guys. Just letting you guys know. Okay.
आएगी वीडियो आएगी तब बात करते हैं. इसके लिए मोस्टली से इनके
She's all right. She's all right.
she's all right for now.
You see anybody who is at ठीक है, you all have like.
Hey man, I am in TK, so like just say.
Yeah, man. Okas is in TK. We would have put him in trash. We just Paytm does 300 rupees each for some reason. We sell out. So like okay, fine, cool, whatever.
I mean 300 15 लाख महीने का कमाता है तो 300.
15 लाख महीने का नहीं कमाता मैं यार. What the hell? Shut up.
He's lying but okay.
मैं तेरे को
we
चॉकलेट के लिए
have-
पैसे नहीं दे रहा माचुदा.
तूने दे दिए मुझे चॉकलेट के लिए पैसे. We have क्या
Trash.
कहते हैं?
Pretty bad.
Yeah.
I get
Last
pretty
की कहाँ पे like मलिका से
Last pretty bad.
Yeah.
Captain
Worst,
India.
Captain India.
Captain India ठीक है. I would put him on. No, wait. Captain India actually.
तुम्हारे नीचे.
Yeah, I'll put him in fire. Okas, I'm putting Captain India in fire. How do you feel? Why did you put yourself in ठीक है, dude?
Because
Why?
I honestly believe that.
ठीक है, fine. I'll put Captain India in fire, and I would put him.
Above
He's
Dynamo.
pretty-
For me.
Yeah, above Dynamo. Yeah, works for me as well. In fact,
Let's not have bias. Come on, guys. No,
I'm not giving biased. Yeah.
no.
above Dynamo, he's very entertaining. The guy is entertaining. That is for sure.
Disagree, but ठीक है.
He, the guy is entertaining. He's young, so he obviously asks a lot of questions. It's a good thing, I think. पूछता है बहुत कि क्या बोलते मुझे ऐसे करना चाहिए क्या, मैं सही सोच रहा हूँ क्या, मुझे लग रहा है मैं गलत सोच रहा हूँ, आपको क्या लगता है, पूछता है सबको, ये बात है. तो थोड़ा क्वेश्चन करता है अपने आप को. पहले क्वेश्चन नहीं करता था शायद.
ना
but अब
लौंडे
करता
में
है.
भूख है. लौंडे में भूख है.
हाँ, भूख तो है उसमें, वो तो है.
चलो ठीक है. We have रणवीर आलावालिया.
Um,
ठीक है. Honestly,
No.
I would put him top. ठीक है.
No, I wouldn't put Ranveer Alawadia in top tier at all. I would put him, dude. Ranveer Alawadia is this guy of all these people has managed to actually do what all of us want to do, to make YouTube a business. This guy has made it a business, a proper business. He represents many of the people in this tier list. Okay, his company represents many of the people in this tier
पर
list.
क्या हम लोग outside accomplishment
He did-
करेंगे कि
this
सिर्फ
is-
videos हिसाब से देख रहे हैं?
This is, and his videos are pretty good. I wouldn't say they are bad at all. They are pretty good. They are pretty well produced by him, by the way. जब स्टार्ट किया था उसने, स्टार्ट से लेके एंड तक his videos have always been very well produced, आज तक. Okay, and he also does podcasts which, if
Are bad.
your opinion, I don't agree with it.
no,
I
they're
think
not. No, they're
I think he asks good questions, really good questions.
Yeah, he does. उसका interview skills है लौंडे में.
And if that is how his vision of this podcast is, I don't have a problem with it. I think I have listened to his podcast on a regular. I wouldn't put him on TK at all.
अच्छा.
That would be very disrespectful.
Wow. So where would you put him?
I would put him on God. आराम से on
Really?
God. Yep.
God.
No, and I would put him above Dhruv Rathi for sure. This guy, yep. This guy has done it all.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we can all agree that he's extremely hardworking. He's the hustle man of YouTube. Okay.
True. You know
cannot-
what? I agree. You have convinced me otherwise. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank God.
This guy, and he, I don't know, man. The way I have, तो FanFest के बहुत सारे videos होते हैं ना,
Yeah.
तो I used to watch a lot of those videos जो दूसरे लोग upload करते हैं, because you get to see the character of the YouTuber from a different person's angle, right? Because usually अपने खुद के लिए तो वो बहुत बड़ा चढ़ा के बोलते हैं, right? I've seen this guy in other people's videos and he seems like a very, very chill dude.
Hmm.
Very chill dude.
Hmm.
And yeah. God, definitely a God.
Thagesh.
Can we not, please, Jesus, who the fuck is this guy?
I don't know.
Okay.
Some-
Yeah. Same. Moving on. You know. I mean, just-
लिखते ऊपर कर देता हूँ. I know who you are, bitch. I know who you are. You're a trash. I'll recognize that.
Who?
Tanya Khanijo. Tanya Khanijo, you both, you don't know. Bean, do you know?
Hard सुना भी नाम भी नहीं सुना.
Okay, guys don't know, but Tanya Khanijo is a vlogger. We don't have many vloggers here, okay? She is what do you call it? She's not exactly a lifestyle vlogger. अबे वो कौन सा vlogger होता है जिसमें जो बाहर घूमने आते हैं? Travel vlogger. हाँ, travel vlogger. So she has
जल्दी
what I
रैप करो.
भाई तुम तो क्या अलग ही कर रहे हो.
I mean मतलब you can't woo her, my guy, even with 15 lakhs a month.
She has a boyfriend. Relax, man. I don't want to woo. I don't fucking know. Wait. Anyways,
See?
I have no plans of wooing her. What I'm saying is, uske travel vlogs. I have seen travel vlogs, and okay, so you know there is this one particular vlogger which you love, your favorite
Casey.
vlogger.
Casey.
No,
Oh.
the other one who's from Mumbai. Okay. I have seen that guy, and I've seen her. She makes her travel vlogs as a story.
अच्छा,
For example, she goes to
निखिल.
America.
अच्छा.
Wow.
मैं कल समय लगे मैं बोला मेरा फेवरेट कौन है. बाय द वे एक साल कंट्रोवर्सी की एनिवर्सरी हो गई है. निखिल भैया क्या सीन.
अब तो निखिल भैया अनब्लॉक कर दो. क्या
Exactly,
मतलब
यार.
अनब्लॉक नहीं.
ना 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 तू मैं भाई तू मेरे को अनब्लॉक करेगा. तेरे को क्या लगता है मैं तेरे को चढ़ूंगा नहीं.
ठीक है ठीक है. Can we focus? Can we? How it is? Why? Let's focus on Tanya Khanijo. What the hell?
Sorry.
Tanya Khanijo, her travel vlogs. If you should take a look at them, because she basically जहीं कहाँ पे भी जाती है वो, for example ऑस्ट्रेलिया गई और अमेरिका गई, she will make a playlist out of it, and she will make a series. It's like a story for that particular place, and I really enjoy those. I have a soft spot for vloggers, and
अच्छा.
Mumbaikar Nikhil, I'm not including you as one of them, but I would say
Hey, my guy.
I would say Tanya Khanijo for me, because मैं vlogging standpoint में देखूँगा, इनको compare नहीं कर सकते इसके साथ. I would put her in fire, and I'm not, if I'm even putting her in the bottom of fire or whatever, I'm not comparing her with the rest of them because they don't vlog.
Okay.
She deserves a place in fire, is what I think.
Okay.
Beast Boy Shubh, come on, let's go. Bean, let's go. God, Beast Boy Shubh is a god.
What do you mean who?
Focus, why did you put him on a who?
नहीं देखा हूँ
What do you
मैं
mean
इसकी
who?
भी video.
Fuck off. Just put him on a god right now. Right now.
He's yeah.
I'll probably give him a goat also. What the hell, man? Beast Boy Shubh, this kid managed to do which nobody else, actually one other person has managed to do. Okay,
And
Dude.
better. And
and
than
better. Jesus, man.
him. Yeah, and better than him.
Actually, man, Beast Boy Shubh is, I would actually give him goat. This guy doesn't care about the outside world. Doesn't give two fucks. He's like, मैं अपने में खुश हूँ, and I'm happy with my community.
But
I don't
अच्छा,
want to touch
okay,
anybody
okay,
else.
Okay.
हाँ.
Okay. But is this content? What about his? Tell me about his content.
I'll tell you about his content. The guy has 3.7 million subscribers, and the guy
Oh,
gets 3 million subscribers, 3 million views on every single video. आराम से.
3 million
IPs,
views.
Yeah.
Every single video consistently at that number. कौन करता है यहाँ पे भाई वहाँ पे? मतलब करते हैं लोग, but this guy is that good.
And he plays completely different games. Yeah. Imagine that.
Completely
Really?
different.
Yeah.
How
He
it
doesn't play PUBG. He doesn't play FPS games. He has made his community, and उसकी community doesn't merge with these communities at all.
Yeah.
They are for him.
But he
For
doesn't
him.
get 3 million views every video.
What are you saying? Look at his
I am
videos.
looking at.
अभी recent
one-
वाले देख रहा है तू. Look at his Minecraft. Look at his
okay,
Minecraft videos.
Should I go? But that's one. Okay.
कितने
Minecraft-
views मिल रहे हैं?
But
कितने
Minecraft-
views मिल रहे हैं उसको?
He gets some
बता.
Minecraft को आ रहे
million
3
views, right?
million.
Yeah.
Minecraft को आ रहे पर फिर बाकी सारी वीडियोस एकदम से गिर जा रही हैं 200
कितनी गिर रही?
200 के.
It does not stop him though. So
Doesn't
That-
stop him though. Yeah.
ठीक है मतलब.
I would,
नहीं
yeah, man. Beast Boy Shubh has done what everybody else wants to do, and the thing is, you can't look at his videos and tell कि उसको कर क्या रहा है.
and
Like,
plus
what
he's
is he doing
consistent as
special?
well. Plus he's consistent as
He's
as well.
very consistent, and the dude, इसका secret sauce किसी को पता नहीं है. I don't think he knows what his secret sauce is.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
Why is he so as successful as he is? Everybody wants to like think, क्यों क्या करता क्या है अपने videos में ये? क्यों देखते हैं इसको लोग? पर देखते हैं इसको बहुत ज़्यादा.
Trash.
What do you? अच्छा wait, Bean, where would you put him? Beast Boy.
On God for sure. God.
Where in God?
Below Tanmay.
Below that, ना? Okay.
Okay. But तन्मय भी गेमिंग करता है. So
Yeah,
now we
but-
have something
actually-
to
Yeah,
compare.
but Tanmay is trying to.
Break the barrier.
Yeah, but
No,
he
Beast
also
Boy-
plays mainstream PUBG, right?
Yeah.
Tanmay. Yeah.
Beast Boy doesn't. Beast Boy
And Beast
doesn't.
Boy-
Actually, for that reason, I would put Beast Boy over Tanmay.
No, but
Yeah, same.
but Tanmay has like an overall brand, and
He does.
Yeah.
He does.
So he's
Yeah.
obviously above.
True.
Beast Boy in that.
True. We have wait.
Hey, come
ignore
on,
this.
Neon Man is not trash. I mean, like
Okay.
he does make good.
What?
What? Hold
Okay,
up.
let's hear him out.
Hold
Let's
up.
hear him out. Let's
Let
hear
me
him out,
listen to
guys.
me. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
He makes
Abbe,
Hear me out. I'm
Yeah.
about to destroy him, so yeah, hear me out.
Yeah, let's go.
He makes compilations of facts that anyone can access. Yeah, but he's not bad. Like I think pretty bad would be okay, or TK, like the lowest TK would also be okay. But yeah, pretty bad. Newsboy on the other hand, nah, he's trash. I don't like Newsboy.
really? Why?
I don't know who Newsboy is. I would put Neon Man for the same
Nuge
reason
boy,
I
Nuge
Pretty
boy.
Bad.
Newsboy.
Nuge boy.
Pretty
Neon
bad
Man is
bottom
alright,
tier.
man. Like I don't think he's like trash.
no.
Like yeah, he's
The
alright.
guy has
no,
1
no.
million subscribers. If you want to take
no,
numbers into
no.
account.
Like
No,
I've watched a
disagree.
few of his videos and I thought, alright, yeah.
He can't do his job for shit.
Yeah.
Nope, disagree.
It's just
he can't do his job
facts.
for
Would
shit.
you do it?
This is
How
fine.
would you do it a
I-
different way?
Yeah.
Do you have somebody on YouTube who does it a different way?
No.
News channel?
Sadly, no. But
No?
not that I've heard of.
Okay.
He's just awful at what he does. We have Mythpat.
Like that. Yeah.
Where would you? I think I would put him above.
I would put Mythpat. I would put Mythpat above Tanmay. I'll tell you why I would put him above Beast also. Because शुभ जो है ना उसके videos I will watch पूरा, but I would not be able to say कि मुझे क्यों मैंने पूरा देखा. I would not be like laughing hysterically or something like that.
Correct, yeah.
Mythpat, however, this guy, oh wow, ये भाई हंसाता है बंदों को भाई, अच्छे से हंसाता
And he
है.
edits
And
so well. He edits
do
so well.
and he edits it so well.
Yeah, हाँ, एडिटिंग करता है लौंडा. मैंने मतलब बात की है उससे. अच्छा
Like
बंदा है.
he
Humble
is like
बंदा है, बहुत humble
he
है, बहुत
he is
humble.
like somebody I would like aim to मेरे जो
Become?
gaming channel है उस पे like I would like to compete with this guy. I would
Yeah,
ठीक
yeah.
है. I see I being very honest, both of them play Minecraft. I have been playing Minecraft since 2014. Okay, I've been very बहुत पहले से Minecraft खेल रहा हूँ मैं. ठीक है.
उससे भी पहले से I would say.
2013 में मैंने स्टार्ट किया था कॉलेज में,
हाँ.
बट बोथ ऑफ देम आई हैव सीन देयर माइनक्राफ्ट वीडियोस एंड मैंने तो अभी स्टार्ट किया हुआ है व्हाटएवर, बट आई कैन गिव इट फॉर अ ये कि मैं उनसे बेटर वीडियोस बना सकता हूँ, मुझे पता है ये बात. आई एम नेवर दिस कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट एनीथिंग एल्स. ठीक है. आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस राइट नाउ. आई एम नेवर दिस कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट एनीथिंग एल्स. बट आई एम
Facts.
वेरी
I
हाइप व्हेन
agree.
इट कम्स टू माइनक्राफ्ट. ठीक है.
Yeah.
And I can for sure, like I don't know man, maybe I'm being arrogant here. I've
No,
never
no, no.
been this arrogant, but I'm
No,
just saying this. वो एक अंदर से मुझे feeling आती है कि I'm better than these guys, at least in terms of Minecraft.
Okay.
अच्छा.
I can tell better stories than them. I'm better equipped at the game. I know more about the game. Literally, I've seen the fucking code of the game. I know the game. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But since these guys have achieved what they have, I like look up to them कि मुझे this is the standard I have to reach. This is the standard where I have to get, and I will get there because I can do it.
My
इतना मैं
man,
sure.
let's go. Narcissist Rav.
I have never been. Have you ever seen me this confident about
No,
anything?
no.
Ever?
No, I have not. No, I have not. That's why I'm happy, man. I'm happy that I have influenced you in a good way.
So yeah, definite Mythpat over Beast
Yeah,
Boy,
fact.
and
Same,
both of
same.
them deserve the place that they have.
We have Mishima, I guess.
We have Mishima. Poof. Okay, Okus, let's just hear what Okus has to say about Mishima. Then we will go because Bean and I तो था. Let's go. बोल Okus, क्या बोलना है तुझे Mishima के बारे में?
He's young. He's young.
Wow.
We all know
Facts,
that.
facts.
He's a year
Fa-
older than
And he's
Captain India.
extremely good looking.
He's very good looking indeed.
Yeah. Yep.
But he is
But
very weak at what he does.
is what you think. Okay. So where will you put him? Okus?
Pretty bad. Nah. I'm being too harsh on him.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would put him.
I know where you're going to put him, and I think we will also put him at the same place. Yeah.
Put him around there.
Okay. The thing is, if I look at Mishima's content, just his content, and let's make the assumption that he was uploading very regularly.
But that's
Mishi-
one of a that's a very big thing that people ignore.
That's a
consistency.
right.
बहुत
Exactly,
tough
exactly,
है,
exactly.
बहुत tough है.
Right. It is very tough. That is true. Mishima की जो content है, the way he does his content, it is unique to for sure. Okay.
Yeah.
High effort for sure. And I'll also tell you one thing. This guy, there's something about his videos. 20 minutes, 15 minutes के videos बनाता है. He gets a retention of 67-70%.
Yeah.
कुछ तो बना रहा होगा अच्छा हो. How is he managing to get people to watch more than 10 minutes of a 15-20 minute video? okay, very difficult, and he's still able to do it, and उसकी organically growth हो रही है इतने inconsistently upload करके भी. If he was consistent, he's like one of those guys like you would be worried about. Like you look at the top tier right here, you have Surya, you have Simon, you have I'm so sorry, Rishu, Rishu, but this guy, he has the brains for it. Like look at it, like, you've put it there. उसके ऊपर कीर्ति चाव है. This guy has scripted for कीर्ति चाव, right?
Yeah.
And you were talking about how well Kirti Chow forms his videos, well structured. This guy has done that for Kirti Chow in his recent videos, right? The guy has all the potential to be a goat. Okay, that I will not deny at all. ठीक है, consistent नहीं है, but is he some? And he's young, so why not? He deserves to be in. ठीक है.
Right now, I would just say potential तो बहुत है. Mental game थोड़ा खराब है, बस ये कहूँगा मैं. अभी तुम व्यूअर्स को शायद ना समझे, पर अगर कोई क्रिएटर देख रहा है तो उन लोगों को समझेगा कि एक मेंटल गेम रहता है, एक विजन रहता है यूट्यूब के लिए, जो शायद मैं ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ, शायद नहीं भी रहता है, शायद मेरे दिमाग में है, पर वो मेरे को उसमें अभी नहीं दिखता है, पर फ्यूचर में हो सकता है, डेफिनेटली. पर वी हैव ट्रैश.
Can we make a separate label of please?
इसको यहाँ पे रखते हैं.
Make us.
पता नहीं,
that is Bakso, that is IAS, that is IAS Baba.
पता नहीं कौन पता.
सुन, that guy deserves a separate label. Ban from YouTube immediately, please. Yeah, okay. Next, Priyal Dhuri. I haven't watched Priyal Dhuri's videos, man.
You haven't?
Very ironic dude. Very बहुत potential. But right now, what he's creating for me, really good. Like I like to watch him. I'm sad that he's not like थोड़ा reach गिर रहा है उसका. But I would put him around.
Wow, somebody Ocus puts before him. Wow, यार ये तो बहुत.
Good. He's good at what. Like if it was come to like the videos I make versus videos like if he tried to make what I do. If anybody in this tier tried to make what I do, nobody would be able to touch him. Nobody would be able to touch me.
Nice.
But
Okay.
Because I'm trying to find my new roots, I will be honest with myself. He does better at what he does, and I think I'll overtake him in a bit. But
Okay.
just being honest.
Then our favorite, the one and only.
Moving on. We have Jayesh.
You will not ask us about our opinions on Mumbai Ka Nikhil? What the hell, man?
Don't care. Mine is solidified. Come on, let's go. His content is trash. His ethics are trash. Can't take criticism on face like a fucking man. Acts like a man child. The list goes on and on.
I would give him pretty bad just for him being consistent. Okay.
Fuck his consistency.
Okay,
Not
yaar,
just
what the hell?
consistency, but he does have some decent
What does he?
cinematics.
Really? Okay, yeah.
Some
No, I don't agree with that. What the fuck?
मैं भी लेके आता हूँ time lapse. रुक जा तू भोसड़ी के तेरे को बता.
Dude, his cinematics are fuck all. What do you mean? There is no cinematics.
It's decent. It's not
Dude,
bad.
I've seen him. कभी उसका कैमरा फोकस भी नहीं होता. What are you talking about?
A7 का ना मैं बेंच मेरे बाजू वाले इसको भी अंडे वाले को पकड़ा दूंगा और फिर मैं उसको बोलूंगा फोटो खींच ले, वो भी बहुत बढ़िया. और फिर
Okay, where would you put him in?
Pretty bad.
Honestly.
In pretty bad for sure.
I would also put him in pretty bad.
Nah, he's staying in trash.
Ocus, you can't veto it. You can't veto it, Ocus.
He's staying trash.
Like
You have to put him in pretty bad.
I
We
am not
both.
gonna move him. I am salty. मैंने बहुत मेहनत की थी उस वीडियो
there's no
पे.
stopping him,
ठीक
guys.
है?
I'm sorry.
ना
Oh, man.
मैंने बहुत मेहनत की थी उस वीडियो पे और वो बहुत अच्छी वीडियो
get
थी.
it.
मैं बहुत रिस्पेक्टेबल था. पुस्सी हट.
Ocus, come on यार. ओ चल ठीक है. ट्रैश में थोड़ा आगे तो ले आ उसको एटलीस्ट.
Yeah.
एटलीस्ट ट्रैश में आगे तो ले आ उसको.
Like top trash.
मैं उसको यहाँ पे रखूंगा. मैं उसको यहाँ पे रख दूंगा. मेरे इस पे.
भाई, what is
But
this? This is
just
dealing with a
because
19-year-old man. What the hell?
No. He's worse than Thagesh. No. Hard. if he's in pretty bad, then Thagesh also comes in.
No. I wouldn't put him worse than Thagesh. मुंबई का निखिल चल भाई. Consistent. ठीक उसने कंट्रोवर्सी कितनी कर ली है भाई? कितनी कर ली है उसने कंट्रोवर्सी जिंदगी में बता.
ठीक है. Just
Jayesh.
because you're saying Ram.
Yeah. Jayesh, my boy.
Jayesh. What do you think?
Above Slay Point. Fire ka top guy.
I agree.
No questions asked.
Yeah, same.
Straight up.
I agree. Technically.
And by the way, guys, Jayesh also saves your internet. Okay, we have talked about this before. He saves your internet. So
we have
technical Guruji. No, don't put him on trash. What the hell? Why are you putting him on trash?
What the hell?
Why are you putting him on trash?
I don't like his content.
Because you're not tech savvy.
No, I am extremely.
He is
You
like
know
someone.
that about me. I am
Exactly. So
extremely
then, what do you mean about you don't like his content?
I don't know. Something
I
about
mean, when was the last time I watched Technical Guruji's videos? 3 years ago. I don't know. I shouldn't have an opinion about this.
it. Yeah, same. Let him be.
I
let
watch
him
his
be.
videos like regularly, but the thing is that the only thing I dislike about him is his.
Is him is him being present in the video, but no, yeah, go on.
His Desh Bhakti, I guess. I don't know, man. Like, what the fuck? Like, you cannot be like.
Man, that video about
such
yeah.
him deleting
yeah.
TikTok was such cringe, man. What the fuck?
Why?
Yeah.
Just
That's why he stays in trash.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't
okay.
know.
Yeah, कभी तो
All right, we have,
we have Rocky.
the Ronnie Show and the Ronnie Games.
No. Just.
I would. No?
भाई बहुत
I've
गंदी
tried.
edit
I've
करता है
really
यार.
tried to like him.
बहुत
because-
गंदी एडिटिंग है
Yeah.
यार, बहुत गंदी एडिटिंग
I would put
है
him on
यार.
ठीक है, bottom ठीक है, but I'm
मैं
not
तो
sure if I'd put
उसको
him on.
थगेश से भी नीचे रखूंगा यार.
What about he has 2 channels, Ronnie Games and Ronnie Show, both.
भाई बहुत गंदी एडिटिंग है यार. 3-4
What about-
साल 4 साल हो गए इसको बनाते बनाते.
What about his following? What about his following?
अरे
people who like
लंड पे है मेरी फॉलोइंग उसकी यार. भाई फॉलोइंग तो फिर भाई फॉलोइंग में तो ये इनमें से किसी की नहीं है. फॉलोइंग नहीं पकड़ सकते हम.
True.
ठीक है.
फॉलोइंग तो इनमें से इसको
I
छोड़
would
के किसी
ठीक
की
है.
नहीं है.
I would put him on ठीक है का bottom. What are you saying, Bean?
Ew. Why?
Where would you put him?
The only reason I've watched him was because he was in a Simon Says Ki vlog mein. I've
Okay.
tried liking him for the same reason, but no. He's trash. He's trash for me.
Okay.
इसको- yeah.
Okay, I guess it's vetoed then. I mean, it's majority then. Last, Amit Bhadana.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Full disclosure, मैंने अमित भड़ाना की एक वीडियो नहीं देखी आज तक.
मैंने
एक
देखी
video
है. मैं जेन्युइनली ने ट्राई किया तो नहीं झिली
I've
मेरे से.
cringed
सॉरी.
at times. I don't
Yeah,
really
yeah.
think like.
What do you
I
think
have
of
a
it?
fair opinion about him. So.
Man, yeah, I do. None of us
might
have a
try
fair
again.
opinion.
To watch him
Yeah,
again.
yeah.
but-
None of us have a fair
Fair
opinion
opinion
about
about
him क्योंकि हम लोग ज़्यादा जानते नहीं, ज़्यादा मानते नहीं.
तो should we put him on who so that we don't judge him?
Yeah. I think it'll be.
और गाइस तुम लोग में से जो लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख रहे हो ना कि सलील को गाली क्यों दिया, सलील को ये क्यों किया, वो किया, भाई देखो, आई डोंट इवन वॉच हिज कंटेंट, आई डोंट नो, आई एम सॉरी, आई पुट हिम आई डिड अ फेवर टू यू गाइस बाय पुटिंग हिम ऑन हु, ठीक है.
Hey.
If I had put him on anywhere else without any opinion, I would have looked like an idiot. I put
Yeah,
him on
same.
others. Who is not the worst category? Who
Yeah,
is?
who is-
I don't know who the person is. I haven't watched his content.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
If that's the case, then I've watched Chicken Inside and I don't like his content.
But okay, so have you watched Trigger Insan?
Like 1 minute of it नहीं झिला गया.
No.
So
Trash में
then
रखा
why did
है.
you put him on who?
Yeah, then who make you?
I
It
to
was
put him on who. I have
actually-
not
no,
watched his
but,
videos.
but it was like अच्छा तो नहीं but it was always 2:1. So जैसे तुम दोनों नहीं जानते सलील को, मैं जानता हूँ. So
Yeah.
we put him हो ऐसा था ना.
हाँ.
तो सेम गोज विद हिम. सो इसके लिए तुम दोनों में से मुझे लगा बीन नहीं जानता, पर अभी बीन ने बोला कि ट्रैश.
Because we just ended the video over there. Like, okay, yeah, okay, fine, thank you guys for watching. Yeah. इसलिए.
कहाँ पे रखना है बताओ.
ऐसे ऑसिलेट करते रहे, हम लोग क्लोज कर देंगे वीडियो. While oscillating, guys, thank you so much every single one of you for watching this. This was great. We have ranked every single person, and the person we have not ranked except Triggered Insan, we don't fucking care about those people. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, this is a very very biased tier list. Please, you can do whatever the fuck you want, guys, in the comment section. You have the full right. Okay.
लड़ लो.
This
जाओ
was
लड़
great.
लो, हमको engagement
This was
मिलेगी.
great. If you guys liked this, I'm sure you did, because why would you not? कितना ज़्यादा मसाला था इसमें यार, what the hell. Let us know of other ideas about what else do we want us to do in tier lists. Okay.
Yeah,
And
tier
please
lists.
don't confine it to YouTubers. We are tired of judging people, man.
For real dog.
For
Let's
real,
judge-
man. It's done. It's done. Like the
yeah.
best part of this entire segment was me and Bean bullying Okus, and Okus just listening to us for the entire fucking 3 minutes of us deciding where
Dude,
he
that
belongs.
should be a
Okay?
separate video, actually.
That should be a separate segment.
It's all right बीन. तेरा पैसे कटेंगे और बात. तेरे से
What do you
बात करेंगे.
mean?
Well, I'm getting fired, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's my last
No,
video.
he's not.
Yeah, thank
No,
you
he-
guys for video.
It's not.
Bye bye.
Bye, guys.